Gold and silver have long been trusted assets for preserving wealth, and in today's economic landscape, they can play an essential role in securing your retirement income. But many retirees overlook the potential of these precious metals, leaving them vulnerable to inflation, market volatility, and economic uncertainty. If you're looking for a way to protect your wealth and make your retirement income plan stronger, incorporating gold and silver could be the solution. Stick with me to understand how to do this and why it's crucial for your financial future. Now, before we dive into how gold and silver can be integrated into your retirement strategy, I want to point out that if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, you'll want to check out the free guide in the first link in the description below. This guide explains why thousands of Americans are using gold IRAs to safeguard their retirement savings. It's a must-read for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. When it comes to retirement income, many people rely on traditional assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate. These are all great options, but they're also susceptible to market swings, economic downturns, and inflation. This is where gold and silver come in. By diversifying your portfolio with these precious metals, you add a layer of protection that has stood the test of time. First, let's talk about inflation. As the cost of living rises, the purchasing power of your savings decreases. Gold and silver have consistently outperformed inflation over the long term, making them a powerful hedge against rising prices. By holding these metals, you're essentially locking in a portion of your wealth that will retain its value even when the dollar weakens. Another major concern for retirees is market volatility. The stock market can be unpredictable, with sudden crashes that wipe out years of gains. Gold and silver, however, have a much more stable track record. In times of market uncertainty, these metals tend to hold their value, or even increase in price, as people flock to safer investments. By including gold and silver in your retirement plan, you're ensuring that you're less exposed to the ups and downs of the market. Now let's talk about the best way to invest in gold and silver for retirement. A gold IRA, or precious metals IRA, is the most effective and tax-efficient way to do this. Unlike a regular brokerage account, a gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold and silver in a tax-deferred account. This means your investment can grow without being taxed until you retire. This is a huge advantage for retirees who want to preserve their wealth and maximize their returns. You might be wondering if there are other ways to invest in gold and silver, like through ETFs or stocks. While these options can provide exposure to the metals, they don't offer the same level of security as physical gold and silver in a gold IRA. With ETFs and stocks, you're still exposed to the ups and downs of the market. A gold IRA, on the other hand, gives you direct ownership of physical assets that are not tied to the market. If you're serious about securing your financial future, opening a gold IRA is an excellent way to get started. It's an investment that's perfect for American retirees, especially if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even if you have 5 men+ers in savings. A gold IRA can help you diversify, protect your wealth, and build a stable foundation for your retirement income. So, if you're ready to take the next step in protecting your wealth, click the first link in the description below for a free gold IRA guide and consultation. This guide will help you understand how gold IRAs work and why they're becoming a go-to solution for retirees. Whether you have a smaller retirement savings or a multi-million-dollar portfolio, a gold IRA is an investment that can benefit you. If you've got at least 100Ks in an IRA or 401K, or more than $5 in savings, you're in a great position to take advantage of this opportunity. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your wealth now and start building a retirement income plan that will stand the test of time. Click the link and get started today.